everybody wants to talk about culture, and the way we kind of break that down at Rudolph Foods is how we treat each other, how we treat our customers, how we treat our vendors, how we treat our communities, and certainly how we treat each other. And so culture really defines that, and we really follow the golden rule. Like since 1955, Mary and John did a great job of building a company with the same values that they had in their home. That we take care of each other, we tell the truth, we do the right thing for the right reason at the right time. And those things are so simple when practiced from top to bottom. And we're so happy to still have a lot of family members in our company, and we think it's very important as we go into our, golly, I can't even believe this, but 68th year, that those values that John and Mary started the company with remain today.